Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to post a poll as a reply on posts on your accounts on X, Twitter, easy and quick. First click here on this comment icon, and here you will find this poll icon. Click on it, and here you can add your icon as you see, and that's it. That's how to add and post a poll as a reply, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.